This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Beautifully maintained and updated ranch-style end-unit condo with one-car garage is inviting from the minute you arrive. Open floor plan with a valuated ceiling in the living room, oversized kitchen with plenty of cabinets and gas fireplace will lead you down the hall to 2 spacious bedrooms. Each bedroom has a private ensuite bathroom with tile flooring and master bathroom. The backyard is level, private and enjoyable for relaxation after a long day. Beautiful Leyland Cypress Trees border property adding great privacy. Updates in this beautiful condo include LVP flooring in living room, kitchen and hallway, fresh paint, new kitchen/bath faucets and cabinet hardware, newer HVAC heat pump, gas, hot water heater, new blown attic insulation, and more. Easy access to shopping and downtown. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahel Naimi at 865-966-1111.